Hey guys, welcome back to our channel where we test and review the latest tech and gadgets. In this video, we'll be comparing two air fryers that have been making waves in the market. Don't forget to like this video, leave your comments, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Both Chefman and Instant Vortex Plus air fryers have a sleek and modern design that will look great in any kitchen. However, the Instant Vortex Plus has a more premium look and feel with its brushed stainless steel finish. It also has a larger capacity, allowing it to cook more food at once. On the other hand, Chefman air fryer has a compact size that saves space on your counter and in your cabinet, making it perfect for small kitchens, dorm rooms, and RV trips. Both air fryers deliver crispy and delicious results with little or no oil. The Chefman air fryer has a temperature range of 200 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, making it ideal for cooking a variety of foods from frozen veggies to reheating dessert. It also has a manual temperature control and 60-minute integrated timer, allowing you to customize your cooking depending on your preference. Meanwhile, the Instant Vortex Plus air fryer boasts 6-in-1 functionality, allowing you to air fry, roast, broil, bake, reheat, and dehydrate all in one appliance. Its Even Crisp technology ensures a perfect golden finish and crispy, tender results every time. Both air fryers are user-friendly, but the Instant Vortex Plus air fryer has some additional features that make it easier to use. It has a clear cook window and an internal light that allows you to monitor the cooking progress without opening the basket. It also has a progress bar that shows you where you are in the cooking process. Additionally, it has customizable one-touch smart programs for wings, roasted veggies, potatoes, cookies, cinnamon buns, and more. The Chefman air fryer has a detachable BPA-free basket, cool touch exterior, and auto shutoff for added safety and security. Both air fryers are easy to clean, but the Chefman air fryer has a non-stick basket that eliminates the need for cooking spray and makes cleaning a breeze. The black basket and tray are removable and top-rack dishwasher safe. Meanwhile, the Instant Vortex Plus air fryer also has a non-stick dishwasher-safe air fry basket and tray, so both air fryers are easy to maintain and keep clean. When it comes to price, the Chefman air fryer is significantly more affordable at just $39. It offers great value for money and is perfect for those who want an air fryer without breaking the bank. On the other hand, the Instant Vortex Plus air fryer is priced at $139. While it's more expensive, it offers more functionality and features, making it a great investment for those who want a versatile appliance in their kitchen. That's it for our comparison of the Chefman and Instant Vortex Plus air fryers. Both appliances have their own unique features and benefits, and it ultimately comes down to your personal preferences and needs. Don't forget to let us know your thoughts in the comments below and which air fryer you prefer. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.